So today we have a 12-volt smart battery charger. This battery charger has 5 different modes. Standard for your ordinary lead acid batteries, AGM, GEL, and EFB starting batteries. Motorcycle batteries. Live PO4 is for your lithium iron phosphate batteries. And repair mode is suitable for batteries with issues that cannot be charged normally. In this mode, it will say something like PUL, and all you have to do is keep an eye out for your temperature. Make sure your battery doesn't exceed abnormal temperatures. If it does, all you do is disconnect it. This charger can also be served as a supply to equipment that requires 12-volt DC. So if your equipment requires 12 volts of direct current, this could convert the 110 of alternating current from your household into that, and you could use it on those equipment. A 12-volt battery is not around, but let me give you guys a demonstration on how to use it and how to charge a battery with it.